How to fix audio of Zoom meetings. So if you're having buggy audio, then most of the time it's the internet problem. So connect to a good internet and your audio will sound without any lag. The next thing is right at the bottom left corner beside audio, you will see the arrow pointing up. Click on it. From here, you want to choose microphone which works. So if you have multiple microphones connected, you're going to see multiple options. Since I have only one microphone connected, it shows me one option. So I'm going to choose the microphone which works. So in your case, you need to choose the microphone which works for you and check if it is work. And even after doing this, if it's still not fixed, check your microphone. It might be your microphone damaged. That's why your computer is not recognizing the audio coming from it. In that case, the only thing you can do is fix your microphone or try to reconnect it again in your device. The next thing is if the other person's audio is coming laggy or choppy to you, then it might be that person's Wi-Fi or internet is slow. So ask that person to connect to a stable internet connection and you will hear his or her audio clearly. That's how you guys can fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.